today we can discuss the next part of fundamental unit of life, cell organelles. A cell has to perform different functions with the help of its various membrane-bound organelles. So the cell organelles are small organs of the cell and are found embedded in the cytosol. They form living part of the cell and each of them has a definite shape, structure and function. So examples of some organelles are nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, ribosomes, etc. So today we can discuss endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus and lysosomes. Endoplasmic reticulum, it is found inside the cell and it is a membranous network enclosing a fluid filled lumen which almost fills up the intracellular cavity. It is also called endoplasmic reticulum or ER. On one end of ER is connected to the outer membrane of the nucleus and on the other end to the plasma membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum occurs in three forms. They are cisternae, vesicles and tubules. And this endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. Rough endoplasmic reticulum or RER with ribosomes attached on its surface for synthesizing proteins. And the second type is smooth endoplasmic reticulum or SER, which is without ribosomes and is meant for secreting lipids. We can discuss the functions of endoplasmic reticulum. The functions are, it forms supporting skeletal framework of the cell. It provides a pathway for the distribution of nuclear material from one cell to the other. Certain enzymes present in smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesize fats, steroids and cholesterol. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is concerned with the transport of proteins which are synthesized by ribosomes on their surface. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays an important role in the biosynthesis of glycolipids, phospholipids and cholesterol. These lipids are used in the formation of plasma membrane and various steroid hormones. Next come the Golgi apparatus, or we call it as Golgi body or Golgi complex. This Golgi apparatus consists of a set of membrane bounded fluid filled vesicles, vacuoles and flattened cisternae. Cisternae are usually stacked together, means it is placed one above the other in parallel rows. It exists as an extensive network near the nucleus in the animal cells. However, the plant cells contain many freely distributed subunits of Golgi apparatus. They are called as dictyosomes. Cisternae are formed at one end of the stalk and it is called as cis phase of Golgi. They are budded off as vesicles at the other phase of Golgi apparatus and called trans phase of Golgi. This Golgi apparatus is absent in bacteria, blue-green algae, mature sperms and RBC of mammals and other animals. The Golgi apparatus arises from the membrane of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now we can discuss the functions of Golgi apparatus. The main function of the Golgi apparatus is secretory. Means Golgi apparatus act as a way station or assembly area for the storage, processing and packaging of various cellular secretions. It packages material synthesized in the cell and dispatches them either to intracellular targets such as plasma membrane and lysosomes or extracellular targets, example zymogens. It produces vacuoles or secretory vesicles which contain cellular secretions, example enzymes, proteins, cellulose, melanin pigment, lactoprotein of milk, etc. Golgi apparatus is also involved in the synthesis of cell wall, plasma membrane and lysosome. So our next topic is lysosomes. Lysosomes are simple, tiny, spherical, sac-like structures evenly distributed in the cytoplasm. Each lysosome is a small vesicle surrounded by a single membrane and contains powerful enzymes. These enzymes are capable of digesting or breaking down all organic materials. These lysosomal enzymes are made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. The functions of lysosomes are: it serves as intracellular digestive system, hence called digestive bags. They destroy any foreign material which enter the cell such as bacteria and virus. In this way, they protect the cell from bacterial infections. Lysosomes also remove the worn out and poorly working cellular organelles by digesting them to make way for their new replacements. In this way, they remove the cell debris and are also known as demolition squads, scavengers and cellular housekeepers. Thus, lysosomes form a kind of garbage disposal system of the cell. The third function is during breakdown of cell structure, when the cell gets damaged, lysosomes may burst and the enzymes eat up their own cells. Therefore, lysosomes are called as suicide bag of a cell. Thank you.